Hello, my dear friends. Today is the last episode on Smiley the Cloud Amigurumi. I've already made 2 episodes on this. Today, I will show you how to make these cute raindrops, how to embroider the eyes, eyebrows, blush, and the smile, and how to crochet the cute bow. And the written directions are also available on top of the screen and also before few rounds, so you can take a screenshot if you wish. Hi, I'm Shabori from Hooked in Loops. I make various kind of tutorials in my channel, mainly crochet tutorials. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like, share and comment. For this tutorial, I am using 4-ply acrylic yarn and crochet hook of size 3mm. So let's proceed with the remaining part of the tutorial without wasting any time. This is the written direction of the first 5 rounds of the cute raindrops. So you can take a screenshot. We will begin with a magic circle. So in this way we are making the magic circle. You can follow my crochet beginners tutorials from my playlist if you don't know how to make a magic circle. Then in the magic circle we will be doing a total of 6 single crochet stitches for the first round. Written direction is also available on top of the screen, as you can see, so you can take a screenshot. We will now begin the next round. So in the first stitch we are going to do 2 single crochets. So 1 single crochet is done and we will mark it with a stitch marker. And in the same stitch we will be doing 1 more single crochet. So this makes 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. It is also known as an increase. In the next stitch also we are doing an increase or 2 single crochets, and similarly in all the remaining stitches we will be doing 2 single crochets in each one of those. We will now begin the third round. In the first stitch we are doing 1 single crochet, mark that with a stitch marker, and then in the next stitch we will be doing an increase and repeat the pattern. That is 1 single crochet in the next stitch and in the following stitch an increase, and repeat it till the end of this round. We will now begin the fourth round. In the first stitch we are doing 1 single crochet and we will mark it with a stitch marker, and we will be doing 1 single crochet in each and every stitch of the last round. So this round is going to contain a total of 18 single crochet stitches. We will now begin the round 5. Just repeat what you did in the round 4, that is 1 single crochet in each and every stitch of the previous round. So round 5 is also going to have a total of 18 single crochet stitches. This is the written direction for the remaining rounds of the raindrop, so you can take a screenshot if you wish. We will now begin the round 6. So we are going to do 1 single crochet in the first 4 stitches, that is 1 single crochet in each of the first 4 stitches, like this. And then in the next 2 stitches we are going to do a decrease and repeat the pattern. That is 1 single crochet in each of the following 4 stitches, and then a decrease in the next 2 stitches, and repeat it for 1 more time. We will now begin the round 7. We are going to do 1 single crochet in each of the first 3 stitches, and then in the next 2 stitches we are going to do a decrease and repeat the pattern. That is 1 single crochet in each of the following 3 stitches, and then a decrease in the next 2 stitches, and repeat it for 1 more time. We will fill our raindrop with little fiber fill. We are now going to begin the 8th round. We are going to do 1 single crochet in each of the first 2 stitches, and then in the next 2 stitches we are going to do a decrease, and we will repeat the pattern. That is 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, and then a decrease in the next 2 stitches, and we will quickly complete this 8th round. We are now going to do the 9th round, that is 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and then in the next 2 stitches we are going to do a decrease and repeat this pattern, that is 1 single crochet followed by decrease, and repeat it for one more time. In the 10th round we are going to do decrease for 2 times, and since it's already narrowing after 2 decreases we are going to slip stitch in any stitch and then do a chain 1 and cut the yarn, keeping a long tail for tying it to the cloud in this way. In the same manner we will be making few more raindrops of different colors, or you can also make it of one single color based on your choice of color combination. We will take a needle and just tie it at the bottom side of the cloud in the manner I am showing you, and tie a double knot to secure it and weave in the loose ends into the cloud. We are now going to make the loop for hanging it on the wall. So take the yarn, make a slip knot, insert the hook in it. We will slip stitch in any stitch at the top portion of the cloud like this. So I am doing a slip stitch around a stem of a double crochet at the top side, as you can see. Then do as many number of chains as you want depending on the length of the chains, depending on the size of the loop. Okay, and when you have reached your desired length of the chains, just slip stitch in the same stitch to form the loop in this manner, followed by chain 1 and tighten the stitch in this way. We will weave in the loose ends or just wrap it around the loop and hide it inside the cloud. So the loop is also ready. We will now embroider the eyebrows with embroidery floss in this way. At the back side, you can cut out the extra portion of the embroidery floss and hide it inside the cloud. After that, we will be making the eyelashes around the safety eyes. Now this portion is completely optional. Now we are going to make the cute little smile of our smiley. And it is ready. After that we are going to make the blushes of the smiley. So this step is really easy. We will just take the yarn and make a magic circle with it at first. We are using the 4-ply acrylic yarn. Then in the magic circle we will be doing 6 single crochets. We are just going to make a circle of 2 rounds. So this is the first round of 6 single crochets. Pull the tail of the magic circle to close it, and then we are going to do the second round, that is in each stitch we are going to do 2 single crochets. So 2 single crochets in each and every stitch of the last round. So the second round is going to contain a total of 12 single crochets. And complete this round, and at the end just slip stitch in the first stitch of the second round and chain 1 and cut the yarn, and don't forget to weave in the loose ends. In this way just weave in your loose ends. okay, and just stitch it to your cloud. Now the stitching part is really easy. I hope you can do it by yourself. And finally we are going to make our cute bow. This also doesn't require any written direction. Just make as many number of chains based on the length of your bow, and then we will be doing one single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and also one single crochet in each of the remaining chains, and then chain 1, turn your work and do one single crochet in each and every stitch of the last round, and complete this round. In the same way we are going to have as many number of rounds as we want depending on the width of your bow, and then just weave in the loose ends at the end after the chain 1. Just hide the loose ends inside the bow stitches. We will take a contrasting colored yarn and tie a knot at the central portion in this way. And just wrap the extra portion of the yarn around the central portion in this way, and finally tie a knot to secure it. And the bow is also ready. We will just stitch the bow to the cloud at the top portion. And finally when it is attached, just tie a knot and cut the extra portion of the thread. So finally our cute and beautiful Smiley the Cloud amigurumi is ready. This is a perfect wall hanging for the nursery and also for your home, so you can make it easily. And if you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section. For any queries, I will solve all your queries, and also subscribe to my channel because I really work hard in my tutorials. So have a great day and thank you.